Hi, do you want to impress your friends with user commands on Discord? This video is for you. Before we begin, I expect you to have some basic Python knowledge because to create the user commands you'll need it. You only need basic knowledge, nothing special. Also, before we begin, if you ever need help with these user commands, don't hesitate to ask me in the Discord server, the link is in the description. First, let's create a Discord bot. Head over to discord.dev and create an application. After creating our application, let's reset the bot token. Also check the user install checkbox under the installation tab. This will allow you to register your user commands later. Go to the OAuth 2 section, check applications or commands and select the user install type. Copy the link, paste it in your browser and authorize the application. Alright, now that we got that covered, let's create a new Python virtual environment. Now that we are here, head over to packages in the left bottom, search for PyCord and install PyCord. This will allow us to make a Discord bot. Import Discord in your code and create a bot instance. You can now start your bot by running it with the bot.run and passing the token through. Running your project in the current phase will cause the Discord bot to be online without any status or without any commands. Now it's time to create our first command. Commands inside of PyCord are functions with attributes. Let's create a ping command. To start, define an async method for our command. Let's make it simpler, respond with pong. Add an attribute, add bot to the command. If we now restart the bot and reload Discord, our command should now be registered, visible, and should respond with pong. PyCord also makes it really easy for us to add parameters to our commands. For this, I'm going to create an add command. This command will add two numbers together. Parameters inside of commands are the same as parameters of a function in PyCord, except you have to explicitly define the type of the parameter. You can then just respond with the result. PyCord can also handle buttons on messages similarly to how it handles commands. In order to add buttons to a message, first let's create a view. This view class is going to contain all definitions of buttons and will be attached to a message which will have the buttons. Let's add a ping button. First create a method for our ping command, then add the Discord UI.button attribute to the button. The parameters passed in are the button and the interaction. We can simply respond with a simple interaction or respond call. When sending a message, use the view parameter in order to pass through your view to the message. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you ever need help with any part of the programming your own user commands, don't hesitate to ask me in the Discord server. I, or anyone out of my community, will happily help you. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and goodbye.